Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 6, 2022. One star Sudoku. Sixth row, two numbers are remaining 8 and 9. Column B, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column J, second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, we have 5 and 4. So 5 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we will already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. Column J, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 3rd grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 6. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, only 1 number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 9. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 1. 7th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column B, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 6. Column C, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 8. Column F, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 9. Column E, we already have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come in the cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column G, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 5. 3rd row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 3rd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. 3rd row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining 5, 8, 6. Column G, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column F, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 4th row, only 1 number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. 3rd row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Third row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column E, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second grade, only 1 number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Column E, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Seventh row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Seventh row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Seventh row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fifth row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.